Welcome to JH. If you're having trouble downloading games via Tinfoil on your Switch, you aren't alone. This frequent problem usually stems from your boot configuration or the installation itself. First, verify that you are launching with Fusee Primary instead of Hecate. Tinfoil often struggles with Hecate unless it is perfectly configured. If you're unsure about your boot method, it is definitely worth a second look. Next, try a fresh install of Tinfoil. Start by removing the existing Tinfoil folder from your SD card. Then, grab the most recent version from a reliable source and install it using a tool like DBI Installer or Gold Leaf. Once installed, launch Tinfoil and hit the minus button to inspect your file locations. Delete any entries that appear broken or lead nowhere. Your USB, HTTP, and SD card sources must be properly configured for downloads to function. Another common culprit is a missing NSP forwarder, which allows Tinfoil to run as a standard application. If your initial setup was via USB or encountered errors, this might be the issue. Simply reinstall the NSP version through Gold Leaf or DBI to resolve this. Usually, one of these fixes will solve the problem. If you are still stuck, please provide details on your boot process, your Atmosphere version, and where you sourced your Tinfoil files.